If you love tiki cocktails, you really cannot go past the Mai Tai. Keep watching. So the Mai Tai is probably one of the most popular, known tiki Polynesian style cocktails. Apparently the story is it was made on a Polynesian island, and when the person tasted it, they raised their hand and said Mai Tai, which meant out of this world. So pretty cool story. Now the first ingredient that I'm going to use, this is a shaken cocktail, is 60 mils or 2 ounces of an aged rum. I love using a Jamaican style rum, and I'm using the Appleton Signature Series. So 2 ounces or 60 mils if you're here in Australia and the UK. Next up, 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of a triple sec. I am using Cointreau. Next up, 30 mils or 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And last but not least, 15 mils or half an ounce of a Orgeat or Orgeat, however you want to pronounce it. I'm using the Crawley's Orgeat. It is really, really good, and I was called out by a bartender recently when I said just use any Orgeat, and he said no, you have to use a really good quality one, and I totally agree. Make sure that you get a really nicely made Orgeat, not just a cheaper version. Gonna add some ice. Give it a really good shake. Okay. Now, I'm going to give that a taste beforehand, just to make sure that the balance is good. Beautiful. I like to serve mine up in a tiki glass or tiki mug. Now you can add some crushed ice to that as well if you like. I'm going to add just a little bit more block ice. That's probably a little bit too big, that one there. And maybe even top it off with a little bit of crushed ice as well. Kind of like the look of the crushed ice sitting on top of there. As far as garnishes go, it is a tiki cocktail, so knock yourself out. I'm going to do a little bit of lime, maybe even a pink umbrella, and that is the Mai Tai. Let's give it a try. Once again, yeah, well, I love this. That aged rum definitely comes through. It just adds a really nice sort of funky flavour to the cocktail. That Orgeat though is the hero. Yes, I'm picking up the Cointreau, but that Orgeat is just giving a really nice rounded amount of spice, kind of an almond texture flavour. Not texture, as in almond texture, but it is giving a really nice texture in my mouth. Yeah, that's a winner. So guys, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.